The action has already started here, folks. And the kickoff, we're going to have a kickoff play here. And here's the kickoff by the Bullets. And the ball is a very good kick. He kicks it. I don't know if they're going to accept that, folks. There could be a flag there. No flag. There's no flag there. I don't understand that. Okay, and the play. And there's the Bolts in the huddle over there. The Bolts in the huddle. And here's the play. And there's Ike, folks. And she's rushing, and it's a marvelous pass, and did he catch it? He did not catch the ball. He did not catch the ball. He did not catch the ball, folks. I think it was I think something happened with the catch there. I don't think it was a very good catch. And, now here's the next play. And they're there on the huddle. Yep. Okay, and here's the play. And he's going back. And there's the throw. It's a horrible throw. Terrible throw by the quarterback. He had to get over Mom's head or whatever. And, so, incompletion. It's third down, and I think there's 10 to go. Third down and 10 to go. There's Ike, and it's a pretty bad throw. It's fourth down, folks. 4th and 10. Incompletion. I think he threw the ball a little bit too soon. It was not a very good passes. And now, I think they're going to punt. Yes, they're going to punt. And here's the punt. It's a terrible punt. Horrible punt. And I don't know what happened there. I think they gained a little yardage. It was not a very good kick. Actually, it's an okay kick, but yeah. Okay. Well, anyway. Sorry, folks. The trees are in the way. You can't see them very well. And they're there on the huddle behind the bushes. You probably can't even see them. And here's the play. There's Ike, and it's a great catch, wonderful play. Wonderful play by Teresa Cooney and Kevin Cooney. He's much taller than the cover there, the Bolts, Daryl Cooney. And it was a nice down by number 88. And it's a beautiful day here. It's a beautiful day. Not a cloud in the sky. And here's the play. offsides. I think that was offsides, but... And there he goes. He's going to run it, folks. And it's right... It's a touchdown. It is a touchdown, yes. Good play by the quarterback, Kevin Cooney there. Wonderful play. And there he is. He's extremely happy. Wonderful play. And there was just seemed to be it's set. The score is now 7-0. Well, yeah, 6-0 because we don't have any extra points in the NYSF. And yes, it's a touchdown! It is a touchdown! It's a touchdown on the kickoff! The running back, whatever he is, he ran 90 yards in one play. 90 yards in one play, folks. Now, isn't that amazing? Don't you think he's happy? Yes, what a play. What a play by the Bulls. And, now I think we're going to switch over to Michael Cooney. He will be your new announcer for the day.
Incredible play, wasn't it? Yes, it was. I'm Michael Cooney, and here we are with a fantastic game. Here we go with an incredible play, and I'm Chi Clacker. No, excuse me. Wait a minute, I'm going to set up here. Here we go with the kickoff. And there is the play. Here we go. And oh, goody, quickly in. And he gets... Sorry, I haven't been talking yet. I'm sorry. And here's the hike to Mama Cooney. Mama Cooney's the quarterback. And right out, Mama goes out to pass. And he catches it. And he's down. By the way, the substitution is number 12, Brian Cooney. That's a young defensive end from Michigan, Arizona, whatever. I don't know. I mean, not Michigan, Arizona. From Michigan. Well, what is it? But from Arizona State, he's actually, that's where he's actually from. There goes the car. And now here's the play. What's the name of the team? The Bullets have the ball. And Mama Cooney's going to be quarterback again. Let's see what she does with it. And it's a trick play. They fumbled the ball, but they get it back. The Bullets have the ball. A trick play. 2 complete. Yeah, that's the first down there made by the Bullets. They got 2 complete. I know that. And now the Bullets set up for another play. Let's see what they have in their bag of tricks this time. Up there's a fake! A fake! And it's a touchdown. That's an illegal play. Yeah, just a do-over. You didn't know that. That's a do-over. See what they can do this time. And here is the play. Line set up by Papa Cooney, and Mama Cooney goes out. And quarterback and... Oh, it's a reverse, and it's a fumble! A fumble! Another trick play. But they fumble it, they blow it. It's second down. Second down, and they have no completion. Here's the play, a little problem there by the center. Oh, it's a fumble by the center. And wait a minute, Kevin Cooney goes back to pass, and he keeps it. The tree. And it's now third down, and the play. Mama Cooney is the quarterback. Brian, we got a problem here. We have a problem with the camera. I can't pick up any of those plays because it's post. I'm now scooting the camera over, so I'm very sorry for any disruption. Yes, and Michael Cooney has just scooted the camera over! Oh. I can't help it. My knee hurts. And now here's the next play by the Bullets or whatever. Wait, official timeout. Time it. I know, I'm doing a bad broadcast here. I'm very sorry, folks. And there's a hike. And Michael Cooney catches it. Another fumble. Touchdown! Touchdown by the Bullets, and it's tied up. Can we switch every touchdown? The game's over. Can I switch? But the substitution? First half. That's taken about 2 hours, the second half. And that's the kickoff. And it's the Bolts ball. I'm very sorry, folks, because I've done a stinko job. But now the Bolts have the ball about the 50-yard line. Here's the play. And Arrow Cooney goes out as quarterback. There's the pass. And Brian Cooney catches the ball at about the Bullets' 20-yard line. I'm sorry about this terrible job. Now here's the play by the Bolts. Let's see how they set up. It's second down, and they have completed one. And Errol Goody fumbles the snap, but he recovers, throws it, and it's complete to Brian Cooney in the end zone. It's a touchdown. Yes, it's a touchdown. And here's the play. There, Brian Cooney kicks it off, and it's a terrible kickoff. It's down by Errol Cooney at the 50-yard line. Very bad kick by Brian Cooney. Okay, switch. And now a switch will be made to Brian Cooney, and I'm sure that you're very glad that I'm leaving because I've done a terrible job.
Michael, I told you you can't have it in between. Oh, okay, never mind. No, I'm talking about